Question I got in my DMs recently is, how did you figure out how to use AI to clarify your values with all the shit going on as a working mom? So let me break it down for you, because before I started playing with AI, I also thought it was super intimidating, but once I got into it, it's the most helpful thing ever in so many aspects of my life. But with all things values, confidence, self-worth, it's surprisingly helpful. So how did I do it? Over the course of a couple weeks, anytime I had to make a decision, big or small, but it wasn't a simple yes or no, I put it into AI, specifically ChatGPT, which is free, and I asked this specific prompt. Why do I care so much about this, and what values are showing up? And I did this on the go. And I downloaded the ChatGPT app so you could text it anytime like a friend. You could use dictation mode and talk to it while you're driving. So that's how I found time to do this as a working mom, because you just find time in the margins of everything. It wasn't like a sit down, like 2 hour journaling session. It was like on the go, like I'm trying to figure this situation out. I'm trying to figure that situation out. And it would come back with values, and I would read it, iterate on it, and eventually after 2 weeks, I had a really solid list of values that I've really been working on coming up with. This was so powerful because it was in the moment, real time thinking. A lot of times when you sit down to do the journaling, you're reflecting. When you go to therapy, you're reflecting. You're very rarely in the moment embodying the situation that's triggering you while you're figuring out your values, right? Especially when you're busy. So then after a couple of weeks, you end up with this list of values. And now what I do is, when I have a situation that I need help thinking through, I go to ChatGPT and I copy paste in my values, and I say, here are my values for context. And this is the prompt I use. What is the most value aligned next step for me? Turns out what I was doing is prompt engineering, which is a scary sounding term. All it is giving specific context and then giving a specific request. Because ChatGPT or any AI tool is pulling from all the collective knowledge of the internet that it has, and it needs a frame, it needs a way to specify it. And so you are giving it the frame of your values. So it gives you advice in ways that will align with you authentically. These are 3 of my favorite prompts when I'm feeling really overwhelmed and I can't really think of my values, and then therapy is far away or too expensive. Like, this is what I do. I describe the situation and I ask one of these prompts. 1, what is the most value aligned next step for me? 2, what does each option reflect about my values? 3, can you help me reframe the situation in a way that honors my values? So those are 3 prompts that help me help AI help me. AI is a tool, but it's only good if you give it the context and specificity that you need for you. And it's not about replacing your own intuition. This is about like supercharging it. In those situations when we're too flooded to really reconnect with ourselves, a lot of times we'll make a decision just for relief, because any decision provides relief, right, in the moment. But you want to make value aligned decisions, and those are hard. A lot of times, as deep feelers and highly sensitive people, we are always feeling so much, right? And when we're overwhelmed, it's really hard to connect in with what we really care about, what we really want, because we're so aware of other people's needs. So for me personally, AI has been super helpful to help me think through things when I'm overwhelmed. Do I wish AI would go away? Do I wish it was never invented? Do I wish it wasn't a topic in my kindergartner's class? Yes. But you know what? No matter how much we wish it'd go away, how much we ignore it, it's here and it's becoming very prevalent in a lot of industries. And I had to use it at work. So I kind of had to break through that ick and like try it for my job. And that's when I realized, oh, it's not this scary thing. It's a tool, it's super useful. But please don't mistake that for me being like, yay, AI, I love it so much. Like, no, it's love hate. It's helpful, but I wish it would go away. Like 100% on both of those. So that's where I'm at, and I wanted to share that with you. And I'll close by saying this. AI stands for artificial intelligence, right? Artificial, not meaning it's going to replace you, meaning it's fake. It's not real intelligence. The real intelligence is you and me and humans. So think of it as a tool, and more specifically as a mirror. It's going to give back what you give it, but you're actually bringing the foundation of whatever comes out. So I'm with you. I think AI is ick, but it's here. So let's use it to our advantage.